Dreaming of gardening, dream interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today we are digging into the rich and earthy symbolism of dreaming about gardening. This is a profoundly nurturing dream that speaks to your inner world, your desire for growth, and the careful tending of your own life. When you dream of gardening, you are not just seeing soil and plants, you are witnessing a metaphor for your own personal development and the state of your psyche. From a psychological perspective, Carl Jung might see the garden as a symbol of the self, a place where the conscious and unconscious meet to cultivate new insights. The soil represents the raw material of your life, your past experiences, your potentials. The act of planting a seed is a powerful image of intention. It suggests you are currently setting a goal, starting a new project, or nurturing a relationship, but you understand that results take time and care. Watering and weeding in the dream are crucial actions. Watering your plants indicates that you are actively nourishing your emotional or creative life. Weeding, on the other hand, is a clear signal that you are ready to remove negative thoughts, toxic habits, or draining people from your life. It is a very healthy dream sign. Spiritually, gardening in a dream is often seen as a connection to the earth and the cycle of life. It can indicate you are aligning with natural rhythms, practicing patience, and trusting in the process of becoming. If your dream shows a garden that is barren or overgrown, do not be alarmed. A barren garden may reflect a period of rest, a winter of the soul where you are gathering energy. An overgrown garden suggests you feel overwhelmed by chaos or neglected aspects of your life. The key is what you do next. Whether you are harvesting ripe fruit or simply admiring a single blooming flower, your dream is asking you to pay attention to what you are growing. Your life is your garden. The dream is showing you the condition of your inner landscape and reminding you that you are the gardener. Nurture it with love, intention, and patience, and watch what beautiful things begin to blossom.